Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I really appreciate it, guys. Just want to say this is my last video of 2019. By when I posted this video is gonna be in 2020. So let's welcome the new year. Hopefully you guys like my Mickey Mouse hat. What I got in this video today, and I want to show you, is the Spider-Man mask that I made right here. This is homemade. This is the first mask I ever made. So it's not perfect. So this is just like the test run for what I'm gonna be making later on. I still gotta improve a couple things. First, you need the pattern. Then you cut the pattern. Then you stitch it together. What I did, I outline with thread where you're supposed to be stitching. Then I stitched it together by hand, and after I did it by hand, I did it with machine. And after, what I gotta do is just cut all this and do another sewing on top of it, so it's 100% just secure. So this is like the test. This is version 1, and I'm just gonna test it out. I hope you guys like what you see. Please let me know, comment down below. I really hope you guys like it. It's just a lot of work that I put into it, and the whole suit is coming along pretty good. It's almost done, and I just wanted to finish the mask. Let me take this off. My hair is a mess, guys, so stay with me. This is the test fit of my Spider-Man homemade mask. It's a little tighter than I expected. So as you guys can see, this still needs the lenses. This is a little tighter than I was expecting. I guess is because the pattern, how I ordered it. Let me turn around. I know he has a line here that I actually got sew a little more, and it's gonna become invisible. It's a little red line, and you guys can see it. Well, this was 100% made at home. After I take it off and I say goodbye to you guys, I'm gonna put on the whole process, how I did it and everything. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys like it. I put a lot of work into it, a lot of time, and it's not as easy as in the movies to put this up because it doesn't stay. I gotta get a facial for it, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. You guys are the best. Have a good one, guys. Peace.